In this module, we will see what are Git hooks. Okay, basically when you try to commit a changes, or when you try to push your changes, or when you try to merge or rebase your changes, if you want to run some automated scripts to do something in your project, you can do it through hooks. Okay, so for example, if you after you push your code or after you merge your code, your project has to say something like everything is running fine and something has done and all the cross checks, everything has to do right. So if you want your project to do all sort of things, you can do it through hooks. Okay, so we'll see how we can do it. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new folder here called hooks. Okay, so I'll created a new folder here. Okay, so I'm going to come to hooks and I'm going to open it through VS Code. So I'll open a terminal and I'll press code dot and I opened that project. Okay, so I'll open a terminal here and I'll switch to bash. Okay, so I created everything here. So I just have to create index.html and I have to initialize the Git. Okay, so I created HTML and added a information here and I'll just add Git. Okay, Git init. I have initialized the Git. So you can see a .git folder. If you can't see a .git folder, you can come to settings and you just have to press settings and you just have to type exclude. Okay, so if you type exclude, it will show some options here: .svn, .hg, cvs, dstore. You'll also get a .git option here. You just have to press cancel and it will show up in your files management. Okay, so I see everything is up to date and I'll just add it, git add dot. And before committing, I'll show something. Okay, how can we use hooks? Okay, so we'll go to .git. Inside .git, we'll see a folder called hooks. Okay, so every folder does something in .git. Okay, if we go inside hooks, there are sample files which Git provided us to do many things. You can see pre-commit.sample, pre-merge.sample, pre-push.sample, pre-rebase.sample. That means before doing something, before rebasing something, do this thing. Like before rebasing, do this stuff. Okay, before pushing something, do this stuff. Okay, and you can see here post update. Before updating something, after updating, do this thing. Okay, so these are all the things that Git is doing. Okay, so here there is no post commit, we have pre-commit. Okay, we have pre-commit. How this file runs? Because we have done this in shell scripting. Okay, you can learn shell scripting. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, we have a pre-commit sample. That means before committing we can do these things, but we don't have a post commit. So we are going to create a post commit file. Okay, so I'll create a post commit, post dash commit, and I'm going to press enter. If you write something, nothing will happen. Okay, because it's not executable file or something like that, it won't track. So in order to do that, we just have to go to different file, or if you know shell scripting, you can start writing it. If you don't know, you can just come here, pre-commit, and you can just copy this. Okay, if you don't know, don't worry about it. You can just copy that and paste it here. Okay, so after pasting it here, you can come to next line. Okay, you can come next line and you have to say, now we have added, we have to say after committing, you have to write something. Let's say I have to give a information. Let's say echo hello. Okay, I'll say committed. Okay, committed, and basically it means that print out this thing. Okay, echo basically means print out this thing. Okay, if I do that, if I say git commit message, I'll say first. Okay, if I say that, it provided us the information committed. Okay, we have successfully done this, so we have provided this information here. So we can see we can do many things here. So we'll also try to do other stuffs as well. Okay, so for now what we will do, we'll try to create a new branch. Okay, so in our project we'll try to create a new branch. So I'll say git branch new. Okay, so I created a new branch. I'll check out to new branch. Okay, branch. Okay, I'll check out to new branch here, git checkout new. Okay, so I'm in a new branch right now. You can see here we are in a new branch. Okay, now I'll write a script. Okay, now I'll write in a same file that after committing a change, I want to check out to a master branch and I want to merge my new code to a master branch, and after that I want to delete the new branch. Okay, because I already merged that code with the master branch, then I don't need a new branch. So we'll write in a script, we'll automate it. Instead of doing it manually, we are going to automate it. How can we do it? We can keep it. We'll write from next line. Okay, we just have to write a git command here. Okay, we are in a new file. After, what we can do, we have to say git checkout master. You can also change your name to main here. For now, we didn't change our branch name, so we'll keep it master here. Git checkout master, we are changing to master. After checking out to master, we want to merge a code. Okay, so we have to say git merge new, merging our new code to master. And after that, after merging, after successfully bringing our new code to master, I want to delete a new branch because I don't need a new branch. Okay, git branch and d and new branch. So we can do that. If we do that, and after that, if we come here, I will write some code here. I have to write some code, and I'll say hello again. We see, we are in a new branch right now. I'm going to add git add dot. If I say commit message, okay. So if I say message, and I'll say added. Okay, see, please focus here. We are in a new branch now, and I have made a commit here. I'm just going to press enter. So after pressing enter, you can see we are in a master branch. So hooks are very powerful here. So we'll see one by one here. Okay, we are in a post commit now. We are inside a post commit. We have said echo committed, so it mentioned that committed. Okay, it just provided us with a message. And after committing a change, we have switched to a branch master. We have changed our branch to master. Okay, and it has updated a code. It has added file, one insertion, one deletion, all those things it has been done. Okay, it has merged a new branch, and after that it deleted a branch. Okay, it deleted a new branch. So it's simple. It has from new, it has checked out to master branch. It merged the new branch to master, then it deleted a branch. So now if we check, we had a new branch. If we check git branch if we check, we only have one branch, that is master. That's how powerful are hooks. Okay, this is very powerful. You can do many things with this.